Hey, what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, I've got some incredible footage sent in by Adam out of Connecticut as he was watching the GPS-3 launch into space back on June 30th of 2020, just a few weeks back, when he noticed something in the background come out from behind the Earth and move through space. I'm going to share that video with you guys here in a minute and let you decide what you think it is. Pretty good footage sent in by Adam. I also have a brand new picture slideshow I want to share with you guys. New sky phenomena sent in from all around the world. And one thing I always forget to ask you guys, if you don't mind, click the like button on the video. Turn that gray thumb blue if you like the video. First, we're here at the website checking out the Schumann resonance. Slowing down from what we saw yesterday. Had a flurry of activity there for about 24 hours. Now it's starting to slow down some. There is a little bit left though. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera. Pretty much the same as we saw yesterday. Seeing another absence of data at the lake seismograph, showing what looked like earthquake signatures up in the northwestern quadrant and in the lake seismographs, or in the southern part of the lake. So don't really know what's going on. They look like isolated incidents. There's a few, not very big, considering it's small energy, but it's still energy at a supervolcano. We just don't want to see all the seismographs blue. That's all. If they're all dark blue, then that could be problematic. But you would expect a little bit of activity from a large supervolcano caldera, and that's what we're getting now. It seems to be the new norm. This is definitely not anything normal, what you're looking at here. This is the most recent map of the power outages across the United States. Got 7 in bright red, which means that's a major power outage. We're looking at over 2 million customers right now as I do this video without electricity. Let's say on an average per customer there's 3 people that live in that household. You're looking at over 6 million people potentially being affected by power outages from a wide variety of reasons, from ice to wind to snow to tree branches, a little bit of everything responsible for these power outages. In California, some of these that you see over here have been turned off as a precautionary measure from the wildfires, but most of the ones you see here in the Gulf states are definitely weather related. Now I want to take you to the video footage Adam shared with me as he was watching the GPS-3 space vehicle launch back on June 30th of 2020, when he noticed something on his television. He was actually watching this on TV, grabbed his phone, recorded it, this is on his television, and then shared it with me. You're going to see something come out from what looks like behind the Earth, at least from this position up here, way up in space, looking back down at the Earth. Must have been pretty good size to even show up. See how it looks like it's tumbling or spinning? I don't know. It's difficult to make a conclusive decision because it's so far away, but it had to have been pretty good size to even show up. There it goes again. And we're going to go in even closer. I'm going to slow it down. I really couldn't do too much with it other than go in close and slow down the speed. I did manage to pull forward a little bit of color. Could have been a false color reading, I don't know, but I did get like a little bit of red and a little bit of green. But again, that may not have been associated with this object, whatever it was. I don't know. Look at that thing, how it's like rotating very fast, and it appears to be moving very fast. That was original speed. Here it is in slow motion. Tried to stay on it the best I could, but that was actually moving at a pretty good clip. Here it is in like super slow motion. See how it's kind of rotating or tumbling through the atmosphere? Or it's tumbling through space. Here's where the color kind of came into the field of view, and I don't know if that's like a false color reading. I don't know. I was just trying to pull forward some potential detail of this thing, whatever it was, but was unable to because it was so incredibly far away. But that was an awesome observation. Once again, that was noticed by Adam out of Connecticut. Good job, Adam. Here's a brand new picture slideshow I put together. New sky phenomena photos sent in from all around the world. Chris B. out of Richmond, Kentucky. A towering supercell thunderstorm. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Jason P. That is unedited. That is exactly the way I received that photo. And you can see that bright purple reflecting off of the cars. Just incredible. Doug G out of Estes Park, Colorado. This is at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. This too is unedited. The sky is dark orange at 2 p.m. Unbelievable footage from the record-setting wildfires. Tracy Yu out of Christchurch, New Zealand. Got an unusual roll cloud here. That's what brought her attention to the sky. That's very low to the ground, and this end here looks like it's got like a dragon appearance to it or something. Super unique roll cloud coming out of Christchurch, New Zealand. Variety Gaming out of Bremerton, Washington. Spectacular gold sky. Tony S. out of Texas. Beautiful purple and blue sky going on there. Then it turned to orange, or vice versa. Same sky, same place. Just not exactly sure of the time. Teresa out of Golden, Texas. Got golden skies. Flight from Florida to North Carolina sent in by Tim B back on October 22nd. And you can see what looks like some sort of an anomaly next to the sun, but considering this was taken from an airplane, they have dual pane windows. A lot of times they will cause a double reflection, so don't know if that's a reflection or actually something in the sky. Susie out of the United Kingdom. Beautiful purple and light red skies here coming out of the United Kingdom. Unreal. I mean, this looks like something out of the Twilight Zone. South Belgium. Neo Indigo. More spectacular skies. Look at the contrast with the orange and yellows and blues and blacks and grays. Just a very busy sky over South Belgium. Phil out of California. Another fiery orange sunset. Pete L. out of Christchurch, United Kingdom. Got what looks like a triangle craft setting up in the sky there. Pretty obvious triangle craft at that. Great observation by Pete. Here it is inverted in a negative format. Definitely looks like something there. Rebecca A. out of Palm Bay, Florida. Another fiery orange sky amongst some normal looking clouds, and then you've got those bright orange clouds. Polenta noticed a unique cloud up here by the sun that just looked out of place. I don't know, it looks like a snake or some sort of a serpent just kind of floating through the sky. Obviously it's not, but it is a very unusual looking cloud like this one here, sent in by Naomi out of Ohio. When you zoom in on it, kind of looks like a figure up in the sky. Looks out of place, black up there all by itself. Huntsville, Alabama, Nathan and Amber Ashley. Some beautiful roll clouds spanning across the sky above Alabama. And here it looks like a bunch of squares in the sky, a bunch of random squares. I took this photo myself, calling it the Eye of Horus. I looked over to the southwestern sky, and that's exactly what it looked like. It looked like a big giant eye up in the sky from right out here in southeast Phoenix, Arizona. If you guys have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. All of the photos end up here at the Sky Phenomena Photo Gallery at the website, and sometimes I'll use them in a picture slideshow just like you saw right here. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.